A1 English listening. How do you feel?
Hi, Yuki. How do you feel today?
I feel a little sad today because my husband is in Australia right now. I miss him very much. How about you?
I feel tired because I'm very busy with work and school.
I can imagine. Are you ready to play basketball?
Of course. I was born ready.
30 minutes later.
How do you feel now, Yuki?
I feel hot and thirsty. I want some water. How about you? How do you feel, Emmanuel?
I feel hungry. I want a burger.
I'm hungry too. A burger sounds great.
Would you like to get a burger?
I'd love to. Can you give me a ride?
Of course.
Wow, it's cold outside. I need my sweater.
Yeah, I want my jacket too.
I feel really happy after playing basketball.
Me too. Basketball gives me good energy.